Hi, I'm Rochelle and I'll be giving you a demo of atSpoke today. atSpoke is a modern workplace service desk that empowers internal teams to deliver better employee support faster, so every employee is their most productive. atSpoke is not your traditional ticketing system. It's a service desk designed for the entire workplace to be used by every team that supports employees, from IT to HR, business operations, finance, and more. atSpoke is the only solution that enables a self-sufficient dispersed workforce because it's built from the ground up to work in chat with machine learning weaved end to end. And with integrations that connect each team to their existing tools, support teams get more done within tickets, creating fast and fluid workflows. Let's see how atSpoke works with a simple example. Purpose-built for a rich Slack experience, employees and agents can take a wide range of actions that are synced with atSpoke in real time. Let's say I'm a new hire and I've forgotten my password to a tool whose name I can't remember. I'm going to direct message atSpoke just like I'd message any one of my other coworkers. I can also @mention the atSpoke bot from any channel. And by the way, you can rename the Slack bot to anything that resonates with your users, something that aligns with your company brand or even your own version of Siri. For today's example, I'm going to say, I forgot my password and need help getting into the project collaboration tool. What you see is that I don't have to type my request in any special way because atSpoke uses natural language processing to understand the intent behind what people type. Now atSpoke can either automatically answer the question or automatically triage, classify, and assign the request to the right person. And it creates an audit trail of every activity. In this example, atSpoke doesn't know the answer to this question yet. So it uses AI to automatically triage my request to the right team. Users and agents can also use threads to add details and reply with updates. I'm going to add additional information after I've made my requests. And as a user, I'm done. Let's switch hats. As the agent, you can see all of your tickets in the request folder. Because atSpoke routes tickets automatically, the agent will only see tickets meant for the team that person is on. So for example, if the user is asking an HR question, that request will only be sent to the HR team. When this ticket opens, I can see that it came from Slack, what the question is, and who it's assigned to. atSpoke also displays the user's profile because atSpoke integrates with your HRS, like Bamboo or Workday. I can see this person's on the customer success team, so I'm guessing they need access to Asana. As the agent, I can use the atSpoke knowledge base to find the right article or instructions, so I don't have to waste time searching across fragmented resources. atSpoke does the work for me. All I have to do is look for the article that I need, and then I can send it off to the user. When I close the ticket, I'm also teaching the atSpoke bot that this is how to answer the question for next time. This process took us a quick 2 minutes, and that's with me explaining it at the same time. And the user sees the answers right in their Slack thread. Now that atSpoke learned the answer, let's see the auto resolution at work. I'm going to ask my question again, but in a slightly different way. And the bot got it right. I'm going to click This Helps. And just like that, atSpoke learned the answer from the previous interaction and is able to instantly send me the right link. In just days, atSpoke will automatically resolve up to 40% of all your requests across all channels, including chat like Slack and Teams, email, the web app, and even SMS. And as you've seen glimpses of, our machine learning also automates service requests, doing more to help resolve more complex tickets faster. Let's explore that further in my last example. I'm going to be locked out of Okta. Now, the answer I'm expecting this time is more than a link because my identity needs to be verified and the Okta app is needed to reset my password. atSpoke's AI does more than just auto-resolve tickets. In this example, it routes the request to the IT team and also accurately files the request type as locked out of Okta. With request types, teams can associate specific forms with types of questions to get additional information needed from users without having to do it manually. No more back and forth just to collect basic information. In the atSpoke agent view, in addition to the information we saw in the first example, you can also see the user's responses to the form questions. We can continue to take action by viewing the task dropdown to see what my next steps are. Tasks are predetermined and associated with specific workflows to ensure consistency across all agents. atSpoke will also auto-assign any tasks that require help from someone else. This includes cross-functional requests like onboarding a new hire and manager approvals. Now, the first task we have is to verify the user, and we can do this by triggering a third-party action directly in atSpoke. In this example, you can start a Zoom meeting to confirm this employee's identity without leaving the ticket. Now that we know this person's who they say they are, I'll leave a private note on my ticket confirming to my IT team, and then move on to my next task. Now, I reset the Okta password. Normally, you'd exit this tab and open Okta, but with atSpoke, you don't have to toggle between tools because atSpoke integrates across your tech stack to let agents get more done within atSpoke tickets. All you have to do is click the lightning bolt to see all of the other tools you can take actions in. In this case, we're going to find Okta, select Reset User Password, hit the Reset button, and just like that, I get the email to reset my Okta password. You also have a system of record to show who did what and when. There's complete visibility of all ticketing activity. Now, we can mark this ticket as done, which will then feed into our analytics page. These metrics and the customer success team's QBRs will help you make data-driven decisions. With atSpoke, internal teams are more efficient and empowered because they resolve requests faster while gaining visibility. Employees are more productive because they get convenient, personalized, and immediate help in the tools from which they already work. Thanks for joining me today. Go to atSpoke.com to book a customized demonstration for you and your team.